Well, here we are at our community kitchen Christmas party. What a great night, over 200 people gathered together. You know, this year alone we're able to do 4,000 meals right across our community kitchen every week. Not only that, over 1,800 of volunteer hours were put in as well. So a great effort there by everybody. We also want to thank all of our businesses and organisations that put up a blue tree right in the middle of their business, and people supported and sponsored and allowed people to do this kind of food tonight and throughout the year. So we thank you so much for that. Well, we're looking forward to an incredible year, 2015, so we hope you can be a part of what we're doing here through the Community Kitchen. Thank you.